Pronto Xi Resource Management Scheduler. A one-stop scheduler for all your resources. With enhanced new features for refined user experience, our Resource Management Scheduler is a versatile solution for service calls, project or plant tasks, as well as building rosters across multiple industries such as service, maintenance management, and retail. You can conveniently modify and view all available resources and details of unallocated calls under one single page. The top half of the screen is all unallocated service calls, projects, or plant tasks. Unallocated service calls can be quickly assigned to an available resource by dragging a call across from the top and dropping it onto a resource, which will then automatically update the call status to show it's now allocated to this particular resource. A hover over feature drops down details of the activity to allocate, which means you don't need to navigate to multiple pages to retrieve information. Yay! Are you a project manager who likes to plan and forecast work in advance? You can now view the scheduler in daily, weekly, or monthly format, whichever you fancy. Looking for the right talent to deploy for service or maintenance calls? The Pronto Resource Scheduler Advanced Filter allows you to slice and dice data to find the exact match of skill sets required to perform a particular job. This means you can be assured that a task will be completed on time with the highest aptitude. Get instant indication of the status of your resources through colour configuration. Blue means booked, yellow is on call, and red is overbooked. You can customise the colours however you want to suit your business needs. All these features are available in Pronto Xi 760 onwards. To find out more, visit us on our website.